Hello, so here we are going to talk about a simple file structure on the Flask server. So um we are here on our folder and we're still working on project number 1. We already have created requirements and the server.py. We can have a different name for this, like app.py, it's up to you. So where you want to put your HTML files using templates, and where you want to put your image files and CSS files and your JavaScript files, that should be in the static folder. Now, if you want, you can have inside the static folder already created a folder for the JavaScript, a folder for images, and one folder for CSS. You can call it style if you want. Inside here you can have more folders, but that doesn't matter right now. So far on the static you have your style sheets, your images, your JavaScript, and on the templates you are going to have your HTML files. It is a good practice to have configuration files, because if we have to have separate configurations, we don't want to have those configurations information on the same app. We would like to separate them. So let's go ahead and create one new configuration file. It doesn't matter what you call it. I'll call this config.py. So this type of configuration, you wouldn't like to submit your configuration files on on GitHub and on repositories, Now, also there is another type of folder for a specific instance called instance, where you can put a different configuration file that has more confidential information, more information that is not like more configuration that is shouldn't be open to the public. Maybe less general information, less general configuration. So let's create another file. We just save this in another place as well, and I will save in the instance. So now I have two configuration files, one on the instance folder and one on here on the front. Okay, we are going to continue with the configuration files later. Let's take a look at templates, right? So let's create one HTML file I'll call this HTML file home. For now, it doesn't matter what it has in there. So, I could start up by putting dog type. I don't need all of this. Let me save this. Saved as. Let me just, okay. I don't need to put anything of this. I'm just putting it just to put it or anything. Actually, yeah, let's just call it home. Later we are going to do something cool with this. But let me just put it here because I don't need anything right here. I don't need anything in here just right now. I will save it into templates. Project 1 templates. I will call it home HTML for now. I'll call it index HTML. And since I already have, let me make a body thing here. Hello. Is it me you are looking for? Did I come after hello? I don't need anything in here, but I will just add it because just for later. Save. And now this is saved on my templates, right? Right here. 1 second. So if we want to render an HTML file that is on the folder templates folder, we have to import module called render template from Flask. And instead of us returning the HTML itself, we can just render a template. 1 second, please. So let's type in render template. And we are going to write home that HTML plus this Sorry, I forgot that I called the index-html instead. Let me just check. It's called index. Good. No. Good. Thanks.